Hello and welcome to Gateway Technical College. My name's Tony Leston and I'm an instructor in Advanced Manufacturing Technology. I'd like to introduce the Academy of Advanced Manufacturing, or AAM. The AAM is a fast-paced program designed to provide 22 hours of credit in a compressed time frame, preparing you with skills you'll need for a career in advanced manufacturing. Manufacturing did not die, it evolved. Technology changed the nature of jobs, and labor became cheaper elsewhere. And most times, the existing workforce in the U.S. didn't change their skill set, and people got left behind. Today, new manufacturing is growing rapidly in the U.S. 21st century manufacturing is advanced, and it's digital. It's not dirty, dull, or dangerous. It's a growth industry with the potential to employ plenty of people if they have the skills. In this program, you will learn the skills you need. To start out with, classes in mechatronics and industrial controls will introduce you to the fundamentals of automation. In your coursework, you'll master the fundamentals of electricity, pneumatics, hydraulics, and mechanical systems. In addition to online, self-paced learning, you'll practice your new knowledge in the real-world lab work. In addition to fundamentals mentioned, you will gain experience in programmable logic controllers, or PLCs, as well as human-machine interfaces, or HMIs. The flexible industrial controllers are the backbone of automation, and this knowledge will be key to becoming a contributor in the advanced manufacturing world. One of the most exciting and best-loved classes in the program would have to be the Industrial Robotics course. This class will introduce you to the world of industrial robotics by getting your hands on the controls on day one. The FANUC robots used in the class are the same advanced industrial machines in use all over the world. As industry grows and robots become more affordable, their use will increase and your skills will be in demand. Advanced manufacturing relies on the interconnectedness of machinery to gather data, control product flow, and monitor quality. In our Industrial Internet of Things and Advanced Manufacturing Network Systems classes, you'll learn the fundamentals of creating, troubleshooting, and maintaining complex networks of computers and smart devices. To help prepare for the world of advanced manufacturing, the leadership class will familiarize you with methods of managing the people, processes, and projects that make up manufacturing. If you're wondering what the typical day looks like, it is intense. Classes will run for 8 hours per day, Monday through Thursday, with a 4-hour morning class on Friday. You'll spend the day working on either lab equipment or studying online lessons and taking quizzes. Your instructors will supplement with lectures and guidance in the labs. The days are broken into 2 4-hour sessions with a lunch break in between. Some classes will run for the entire 12 weeks and will meet for a single 4-hour session each week. Other classes will run at a faster pace, meeting for 2 4-hour blocks per week and completing the class in only 6 weeks. In order to succeed in this program, it will require dedication to attend every day, complete the online portions of the learning on schedule, and engage in the lab work. The online portion of the training uses a proven system that presents the information to you and then quizzes you on what you've just learned. Note-taking is highly suggested during the online portion to help you retain information you'll need on the quizzes and labs. The labs are actually a lot of fun, and you'll have ample opportunities to use hand tools, electrical instruments, and precision measuring devices. You'll get the chance to wire electrical circuits using low-voltage trainers, make cylinders and motors move using fluid power, write PLC programs using ladder logic, and connect machines using Ethernet networks. The motor controls class will actually expose you to using high-voltage electricity for different types of motor drives. The most important key to success is having an interest in this type of work. If you're passionate about work and fascinated by automation, the work becomes fun. It's the same passion that will help you succeed in advanced manufacturing. You will need curiosity and interest to keep you engaged in learning new technologies and new approaches to automation. If you have what it takes in terms of interest and drive, this program will give you the tools to be a robotics technician, PLC technician, production support technician, or automation maintenance technician. If you have the drive to complete this intense 12-week program, you'll be on your way to a career in an exciting and growing field. Good luck, and see you in class.